Alright, are we ready?
I think so.
Okay, welcome to the latest Delos crew competition. This one is going to be sailing from St. Martin to probably Anguilla and then on to the BVIs. We had 36 people that said they could make the trip. And I've got all the names in a basket, and I'm going to pick one out.
You're really mixing it good.
Yeah, I got to mix it up good. Alright, are we ready?
I think so.
And the winner is... I got one. We got to make sure it's only one. The winner is... Dun-da-da! David Levine from Williams, Oregon. Alright, let's see if we can give David a call and see if he wants to actually come sailing with this crazy bunch.
Sweet.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Brian. How are you doing?
Excellent, how are you?
Awesome.
Good, man. So what are you doing in Tulum, Mexico? Just a little holiday?
Little holiday, the end of tail end of a 3-week holiday. I was in the Florida Keys for a week, and then I was diving for a week in Cozumel.
Wow, man, that's a pretty sweet life.
Yeah, you know, it's all your fault, to be perfectly honest, bro. It seriously is.
Well,
I got sucked into one, a couple years ago, one day, you know how YouTube will put something up, just like, check this out. I think I was watching tractor implement videos on the farm in Oregon, and I said, oh, sailing, and that was that, dude. And I've been, like, watching you guys' videos for a couple years, and last summer I said, I seem to be watching this a lot, like, what am I going to do with this? So I got certified in September and came down here to Cozumel for a week and took up diving and came back again, and I'm just like, it's my new life, I'm having fun, and really it's all because of Delos.
Well, how about this, man? We did this little drawing the other day, and your name came out, and how would you like to come sailing on the boat with us?
I would love to come sailing on the boat with you guys. Believe you me, I would love that, and I'm on board.
Sweet.
Super cool. I can't believe this. It seems very surreal. I mean, just being in Tulum is this crazy experience. I've been having so much fun. And we just went to Chichen Itza yesterday and went swimming in a cenote on the way back. So the whole thing is just like magical. And then I got back here to the hotel and fired up my wireless, and I was like, emails from Brian Troutman. I was like, oh my God.
Cool.
So this is a real space where I'm like,
So
I have
good.
to pinch myself that I'm not just dreaming here, but I'm talking to you guys, so I believe it. So I love you guys. I can't wait to meet you and see you and give you big hugs. It's going to be so exciting.
Same here, man. Sounds great. All right.
Cool.
We'll chat soon then. Have a great one.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.